So while playing guitar, there are only two strokes that you're going to always encounter. One is a downstroke, and the second one is an upstroke. Yeah, pretty simple, right? So all you need to do is keep your pick above the sixth string, and give it a good swift movement downward. Like, right? It should not be like, that's wrong. One swift motion. Exactly the same way, start from the first string and come back all the way up. So like, that's an upstroke. The downstroke, upstroke. There are two terms that you will always hear from me. One is picking and the second one is strumming. So let me clarify what is picking. Picking is when you play one note at a time. What I mean by that is if you're playing a melody, it will be like, so I'm playing one note at a time, it's called picking. But if I strum anything, it's going to be like this. So that's the basic difference between picking and strumming.